Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing both accounts and opening the one that currently links the other so you act immediately. Once logged in, go to Settings. This is where Link Controls live. Make sure you use the account password and have two-factor ready. It speeds recovery if something changes. You're doing this now because unlinking is immediate in Settings. If you can, use the mobile app for faster access. Otherwise, use a desktop browser and stay signed in to both accounts to compare menus. Next, perform the unlinking steps in the right menus and confirm removals. On Instagram, open account then sharing to other apps or account center and choose Facebook then disconnect. Make sure cross-posting toggles are off. On Facebook, open settings then account center or apps and websites and remove Instagram from connected accounts. Revoke permissions and remove any pages acting as intermediaries. Once done, check both apps' sharing and login settings to ensure the connection is. To finish, sign out then sign back into both apps to confirm the link is severed and single sign-on no longer appears. If you still see a connection, clear the app cache or reinstall the apps. Cache settings can display outdated links. If unlinking causes login trouble, use account recovery options and any 2FA backup codes you saved. One key troubleshooting tip: if a page or business account reestablishes the link, remove the page role connection and repeat the unlink steps from the account that owns that page.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.